Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a registration form here in Constant Contact. Registration form or sign up forms, we have that in here in Constant Contact. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Audience Growth. Click on it, and here we have sign up forms. Just click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to the top right and click on Create a Sign Up Form. All right, just click on it. And here we have multiple options. It could be a pop-up sign up form, a flyout, a banner, inline, text to join, or a sign up landing page, or even Facebook lead ads. All right. Now, for example, we just wanted to create an inline registration form. Okay, click on it and wait for the editor to load. All right, so as here, just a heads up, you'll have to upgrade in order to publish the form. So just for this example, we're going to be creating a form. Let's just go ahead and create the form, and I'm not going to publish it. All right, just go ahead and publish it later if you have the upgraded version. Now in here, here's the preview at the center of your screen. In the left panel, you can go ahead and edit this contents right here. Maybe title, maybe sign up for free candy. All right, text color, if you want to change it, you can go ahead and do so, like so. Go back, description, add your description in here. Then contact fields. You can go ahead and add in first name, last name, phone number, country. Add as many as you want. All right. Now, if you want to make it required, for example, someone clicks on sign up and they didn't put their first name and last name, it will just give them an error. All right. Add it required. So email, first name, last name, phone, and country is required right here. All right. Now, email list. Make sure to create a new list. All right, for example, from my registration form. All right, hit on create. And when someone signs up, they'll be landed straight up to your new list. Okay. Now going back, buttons, you can go ahead and change the button color right here. Maybe that. Text color, I'm going to change it to black, like so. And the background, unfortunately, you'll be able to use custom images, but it doesn't matter. You can just go ahead and use these colors from here. All right, like this one. Okay, going back, go to settings, devices. It says here, sign up forms will be displayed on both desktop and mobile. Go back. You can go ahead and hide this one, the Constant Contact branding. Click on it. And again, you can just go ahead and hide it if you have the upgraded version. All right. Now, once you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and click on save and publish. Once you hit on publish, you'll be given a link, which you can go ahead and use it to post to social media or send it to whoever you want. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.